What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's called passive income, and it's the secret to financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you the truth about passive income and how you can start making money while you sleep. Passive income is income that you earn without active involvement. It's money that works for you instead of you working for money. There are many ways to earn passive income, such as 1. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. This means putting your money into assets that generate income for you over time, such as dividends, interest, or rent. You will need some initial capital and some knowledge of the market to start investing, but you can also use platforms like Robinhood or Acorns to make it easier. 2. Creating a blog, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. This means producing content that attracts and engages an audience, and then monetizing it with ads, sponsorships, or donations. You will need to choose a niche, create quality content, and promote it to grow your following. But you can also use tools like WordPress or Anchor to make it simpler. 3. Selling a digital product, such as an ebook, a course, or a software. This means creating something that solves a problem or provides value for your customers, and then selling it online. You will need to research your market, create your product, and market it to your target audience. But you can also use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to make it faster. 4. Becoming an affiliate marketer and promoting other people's products. This means earning a commission for every sale or lead you generate for a product or service that you recommend. You will need to find a niche, join an affiliate program, and create content that promotes your offers. But you can also use networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank to make it easier. 5. Building a membership site or a subscription service. This means creating a website or an app that offers exclusive content or features to your subscribers who pay a recurring fee to access it. You will need to create valuable content or features, attract and retain your subscribers, and manage your payments. But you can also use platforms like Patreon or Substack to make it simpler. 6. Creating an app or a website. This means developing a software or a web application that provides a useful or entertaining function for your users, and then monetizing it with ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. You will need to have some coding skills, design your app or website, and launch it to the public. But you can also use tools like AppyPie or Wix to make it faster. 7. Licensing your music, photos, or videos. This means creating original media content that you can sell or rent to others who want to use it for their own projects. You will need to have some creative skills, produce your content, and upload it to a platform, but you can also use sites like Shutterstock or Audio Jungle to make it easier. 8. Writing a book or a screenplay. This means creating a literary work that you can publish or sell to a producer or a studio. You will need to have some writing skills, write your book or screenplay, and find a publisher or an agent, but you can also use platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing or Inktip to make it simpler. 9. Starting a dropshipping or an e-commerce store. This means selling physical products online without having to handle inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You will need to find a niche, source your products, and set up your store, but you can also use platforms like Shopify or AliExpress to make it faster. 10. Creating a niche site or a review site. This means creating a website that focuses on a specific topic or product and then monetizing it with ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. You will need to choose a niche, create content, and optimize your site for search engines. But you can also use tools like Google AdSense or Ahrefs to make it easier. So, that's the truth about passive income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme or a scam. It's a legitimate way to make money online and achieve financial freedom. It does require some upfront work, But once you set it up, it can generate income for you for years to come. If you want to learn more about passive income and how to start making money while you sleep, check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.